Alright, okay, I had problem number 23, and in problem 23 it said to find the arc of P to A, which is right here. And you're given that P is at coordinates 5, 5, and O is at the coordinates 0, 0, because this is the central point right here. And to do this problem, you want to draw in a line right here, making a right triangle. And to find the lengths of these sides, you know this side is 5, and this side is also 5, because this point is at 5, 5. So you know you have to go over 5, and then up another 5. And if these lengths are the same, then they're congruent, thus meaning these two angles are congruent, because if sides then angles, and if this is 90 degrees, then these angles must be 45 degrees, making this triangle a 45, 45, 90 triangle. And if this angle right here is 45 degrees, you know the measure of the arc is also 45 degrees, because the central angle is the same as the arc. But we want to find the length, not the measure. But we know 45 is only a small portion of the whole circle, so what we're going to do is you put 45 over 360, which reduces to 1/8. Okay, so now you know that this little piece right here is 1/8 of the whole circle. But to find the length, we need to use circumference. So first we have to find the radius, because the formula circumference is 2 pi r. So we've got to find the radius. So opposite of the right angle in a 45, 45, 90 triangle is n rad 2, which is your variable. And opposite the 45s is the variable, which is n. So 5 is equal to n. So you would plug in your n value, which is 5, on the side you're trying to find, which is the radius side, so n rad 2. So this would become 5 rad 2. So our radius is 5 rad 2, but we need to find their circumference. So we take 5 rad 2 and times it by 2. And 5 rad 2 times 2 makes it 10 rad 2. So you would do 1/8 times 10 rad 2, like that. And then the 8 and the 10 can both simplify by 2. So this would end up being 5 rad 2. And this would be 1/4. So now you have 1/4 times 5 rad 2, which would just end up being 5 rad 2 over 4, which is your final answer.